morning. We are here waiting to get our floating breakfast. It's been very windy these days, so I want to get in the pool for this floating breakfast, but it's gonna be a challenge. It's windy and the pool water is kind of cold. The beach water is fine, it's not cold, but the pool is cold, and I don't think it's heated. I think that's the issue. But yeah, I read online the sunrise section was the calm section. Wherever I read that at was completely incorrect. The sunset side is the one that's been pretty calm, at least while we've been here. And then the sunrise, which is what we have, has been a little bit on the rougher side. And the wind is just always at this direction. So if you do come here, I do suggest the sunset side. Good morning.
Thank you. Alright, babe, what we got here? Oh, look at that. There's some of them. Okay, that looks cool. That looks awesome.
Alright guys, so we are about to dig in. So we got the traditional English breakfast. We did change a couple things, I think. But other than that, this is what it looks like. You got coffee, juice, you could select how you want your eggs cooked. So pretty awesome. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Alright, so we're renting some bikes. So this is like a little game center. We have PlayStation, darts. I don't know what this is. Ping pong, foosball, and everything is open air. I want to play some ping pong. I want to play some darts.
No.
Here, let's try it.
Don't miss.
Okay. Oh, damn.
Alright, babe. Do you remember how to ride a bike?
If I bust my ass, don't look at me. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, I haven't ridden a bike in so long. How do you stop this?
Patra.
How?
Patra.
How?
Like this. And instead of pedaling forward, pedal back.
Go back?
Yeah.
There you go.
Gotta go? You go.
Go, girl, I need some space.
2 hours later.
I haven't ridden a bike in so long.
Fast and furious.
Oh my god, babe. This beach. Wow. This is insane. That was really fun. Now we're gonna grab some drinks, and then Yaidel has a haircut. Who comes to Maldives to get a haircut? He does. Oh look, that's the Italian restaurant. Yeah.
Hello. Everything alright?
Is the menu right?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Arriba o arriba, con una sombra.
Oh no, ¿es que no?
No, eso no vamos a intentar. O está todo sudado. ¿Algo así? Hondo.
Alright guys.
Getting a haircut.
What the hell? Got like a whole spa treatment.
Dude.
Guys, so we just had lunch and someone took the Idel's bike. So now
Oh look, I'll get the thing. Just go back to the room. I'll get that.
Okay.
Dale, go back to the room.
Wait, I don't know how to go back to a room. Okay, fine.
You got it?
Yeah.
Here. So I'm back on a bike. So we just got our bikes today. We're having some lunch. It looks like someone took my bike. But pretty easy, they were able to get us a bike. And I'm back on a bike. So I was on number 12, now I'm number 17. Let's go. I gotta say that number 12 rode a lot better than this one. But this one would do. Alright, let's go back to the villa. And then we got do some jet ski riding. So let's go ahead and do that.
Right day. Okay. Once you go out in the dark, either you can stay on the right side of him, left side.
awesome.
We saw so many dolphins.
Dolphins?
Yeah.
A lot.
Are those spinner dolphins, the ones you guys have? Spinner, yeah. Good. Ah, don't pull. That was so good. Go. Ah, that's perfect. Hit it. You started to do the wobble. Sí, sí, come por ahí. Sí, 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 sí. Yeah, it's a shortcut. Hello. Maniac driving bikes. Running the streets. Yep. Miren una mierda esta. Just keep to your side, keep to your side, keep going, keep going, keep going. Dale. Oh my god. It fucking fell. Anda, venga. Hey, paraste en la loma. Vamos. Dale. Keep it moving, babe. Keep it moving.